Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to organically feed your garden plants. Here's a clip from the show. And then we're going to feed everything today. So the flowers, all the herbs, all the greens, everything. So I'm going to put about a cup of compost per tomato plant in here. And then for the basil, we'll just sprinkle about a tablespoon in each of these sections here. And the flowers, they're heavy feeders, but we're feeding everything today, so the whole garden. And then the fertilizer, we'll do about a tablespoon per plant. We'll just put that on there. And then when we water, we want to soak that up real good. And that will keep everything growing and strong through the whole season, which is what we want. We want the plants to be at their best, so we want to keep them well fed. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 16. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.